Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. This video we have a 2016 Ford Police Utility that is now ready to be sold. The vehicle has 104,000 miles, absolute monster of a grille. It's got a gold rhino setup and absolutely gorgeous. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 909-457-5500, or visit our webpage at www.cascaliforniainterceptors.com, cainterceptors.com. If the vehicle is on the website, it is available. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all the comments. Thanks for everything. Let's go. Single halogen spotlight, driver's side only. Okay, halogen, non-LED. Look at this monster of a grille. So this is a gold rhino setup, okay, with pit bars. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous, right? On the wheels we have like new tires, okay, all the way around, matching tires, 245, 55, 18 on the tires. Okay, the vehicle is on now, but then we actually get to hear it idle. Okay, we have two antennas on top with some shark fins, but obviously the antennas are for display only. They are not connected. Okay, vehicle has been road tested for about 300 miles. Okay, when you guys buy a vehicle from us, you're actually getting a good quality car. We do test drive our cars quite the amount of distance, miles, and to ensure that the vehicle is operating in normal conditions. No check engine lights, no surprises. Okay, we give you 3 months or 3,000 mile limited powertrain service contract to help offset any mechanical cost of potential issues right down the line. Okay, you can always buy more. You can always buy 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever you want. We do have some available and different pricing as well. Okay, obviously it's an all-wheel drive. This vehicle here does not have any parking sensors. On the gas, regular 87 unleaded. Okay, all right, check it out, check it out, check it out. Awesome. All right, so now let's get to the inside of this bad boy. Okay, door jambs are white originally. Okay, well, door jambs are white, sorry guys. No big deal. This is a prior police vehicle, right, or police use. Okay, got a nice center console here. Got your cup holders, very important. You know, the cup holders. Okay, all right. Power windows, power door locks, adjustable pedals. All right, so that is the front. Your dome light, you have white and you have the red. Big no smoking sign there, just left it on there. If whoever buys it, they can remove it as they wish, right, or do as they wish. On the back you have your regular door panels. Okay, the doors obviously do open from the inside. You got your nice, really good condition rear seats and your cage back here. All right, let's go to the back. Let me go unlock it real quick. You have this button there, it turns on the notification here. You got about 35 seconds to unlock it, or else it will lock again. Okay, got a Troy Products cage setup. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, Obviously underneath here is where some of the other modules were at. Okay. All right. Let's go to the passenger rear door. All right. Driver's front. I'm sorry, passenger's front. Sorry, guys. Okay, seats are in really good condition as well. All right, so now let's take a look at the engine. Let me go and pop the hood and show you guys the 3.7 that's running the show here. All right. Try to do it on one hand. Okay. 3.7 engine. Okay. We don't wash the engines, guys. Sorry. That's just, I don't do that. If you buy the vehicle, you can do what you want, guys. You're gonna get a good looking engine, a normal looking engine that runs good. That's my main priority. Okay. I could care honestly how it looks. The vehicle is a clean title. Okay. We do not sell any salvage, frame, anything crazy. We don't go into those headaches. Okay. But yeah, there we have it, guys. Don't know if I missed something, but ready to go. Okay, guys, questions, please feel free to give us a call. 909-457-5500. We do have more cars coming. Majority of them are Explorers. Don't have a Crown Vic yet. The one in the back is not for sale, nor we're going to restore it. It's more of our parts car whenever we get Crown Vics. But we'll keep an eye out. Hopefully we get a nice a Taurus show, or something different besides the Explorer. But hey, we'll welcome the Explorer anytime. But all right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a blessed rest of the day. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the comments, and have a blessed rest of the day, guys. See you later. Peace.